Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, backup camera, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.